A giant 120-inch cinema screen at home used to cost thousands. Today, modern 4K projectors can deliver massive screen sizes, laser brightness, Dolby Vision, and even smooth gaming performance. So here are 5 of the best 4K projectors available right now, and the #1 pick delivers true cinema-level 4K performance. All the products mentioned in this video are linked in the description below, so if you're ready, let's get started. Number 5. XGIMI Horizon 20 Max. Starting the list with a projector that balances brightness, smart features, and gaming performance surprisingly well. The XGIMI Horizon 20 Max sits in the upper mid-range category, delivering a sharp 4K image with excellent contrast and vibrant colors. Modern HDR formats are fully supported too, including Dolby Vision, HDR10+, HDR10, and HLG, making it perfect for today's streaming content. Gaming performance is where this projector really shines. Game mode delivers low input lag at 4K, and it can also run 1080p at 120 Hz, or even 240 Hz, for incredibly responsive gameplay. VRR support helps reduce screen tearing and keeps motion smooth when frame rates fluctuate. Setup is also refreshingly easy. The Horizon 20 Max includes motorized zoom, generous lens shift, autofocus, auto keystone correction, and a swivel stand, making placement far more flexible than most projectors in this price range. Add EARC support for soundbars or AV receivers, and this becomes an incredibly complete living room projector. A great starting point on this list, but things get even more cinematic from here. Number 4. Hisense M2 Pro. If the goal is a compact home cinema experience, the Hisense M2 Pro delivers impressive results. This 4K projector produces a crisp, punchy, and detailed image that looks far more expensive than its price suggests. Bright scenes pop with strong color intensity, while darker scenes still maintain excellent contrast and clarity. HDR support is comprehensive with compatibility for HLG, HDR10, HDR10+, and Dolby Vision. The built-in dual 10-watt speakers deliver surprisingly good volume for such a compact device, though pairing it with a soundbar will unlock a far more immersive audio experience. Another advantage is portability. At just 3.9 kilograms, the M2 Pro is easy to move between rooms, and its tilting design allows quick adjustments without complicated mounting. There is no built-in battery, so it isn't fully portable, but for a small projector delivering this level of picture quality, it remains an easy recommendation. Number 3. Hisense PL2. The Hisense PL2 is an ultra-short throw laser projector, meaning it can sit just inches from the wall while producing a huge screen. Picture quality is excellent with strong brightness and impressive dark scene detail. Compared to the previous model, the PL2 delivers better contrast and improved brightness, creating a more cinematic image. It includes HDMI 2.1 with EARC, additional HDMI inputs, USB ports, and Ethernet connectivity. Hisense's Vita Smart platform provides access to popular apps like Netflix, Disney+, Prime Video, and Apple TV+. For a clean living room setup with a massive screen, the PL2 is a fantastic option. Number 2. Valerion VisionMaster Max. The Valerion VisionMaster Max is one of the best premium 4K projectors for home theater and gaming. It delivers outstanding native contrast, giving dark scenes deep blacks and impressive detail. The extremely wide color gamut makes movies and games look rich and vibrant. Placement is flexible with autofocus, auto keystone, motorized zoom, and lens shift. Gaming performance is also excellent. Low input lag and high refresh rate support make gameplay incredibly smooth. Connectivity includes 3 HDMI ports, including 2 HDMI 2.1 inputs, perfect for modern consoles, an incredible choice for serious home theater and gaming setups. Number 1. Sony VPL-XW5000ES. The Sony VPL-XW5000ES is one of the most exciting home theater projectors available today. It uses Sony's native 4K SXRD panels, delivering true 4K resolution with exceptional clarity and detail. Unlike older lamp projectors, this model uses a laser light source, which means longer lifespan, consistent brightness, and no lamp replacements. Sony's X1 Ultimate processor enhances contrast, textures, and colors in real time, creating an incredibly cinematic image. The result is a stunning movie performance with deep blacks, natural colors, and impressive image depth. For serious home cinema enthusiasts, this projector is simply outstanding. And that wraps up our list of the best 4K projectors you can buy right now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links below for the latest prices. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.